Welcome to Amazon FBA. In this section, we'll be exploring sales momentum and how it affects your sales. The sales momentum and how can it affect pricing and sales. This is a very important topic and it happens during the holidays. It's a common amateur mistake that happens to people who start to get very successful as an eBay or even Amazon seller. What happens is that once you start selling an item, and you start selling a lot of it, you get very carried away. In fact, you see that it's selling a lot and you want to get rid of everything. This is a big mistake because you think that you priced it very good, and for some unknown reason, maybe luck or time of the year, people are grabbing it like crazy and you just want to get rid of all inventory. Well, the big mistake about this is what happens is that you get carried away and you start to discount the price of the item because you want to get more sales. The common mistake here is that the item is selling because it's a good item. The item is selling because the price is actually right. There is no need to play with the price now. There is no need to increase your sales, and whatever you're doing, whatever you did, is what you're doing is correct. There is no need to fix what's right here. And some people actually go about and start to fix it. They start to tweak the price. So if you were selling something for 10 bucks and you move it to 8, of course it's going to increase the sales momentum. People want to get everything out of it. I did this mistake before. I had a few hot products and they were selling like crazy. What I did, which was even a bigger mistake, I decreased the price because I wanted to get rid of it faster. I was like, oh, good, it's finally selling. Well, the time of the year was right. It was around the holiday season. Of course, it wasn't selling during the regular time of the year. A lot of products don't sell until the holiday season is very close to it, and that's when you get majority of your sales. So you might have a very slow few months and then everything starts to sell and do well. So what do amateurs do? They start to decrease the price even more. They think they're going to get more sales. Well, they do, but then you'll be out of all the inventory and you won't be able to offer the high price for what you're getting. In fact, some professionals, you know what they do during this time of the year? They actually increase the price. The reason they increase the price, they want to get everything and get the maximum amount of price they can, at the same time turn a profit to what you have. So that is a smarter way of doing it. So sometimes if it is selling for 10 bucks, maybe you underpriced it. Therefore, you have to price it a little bit higher and see if it still sells. Experiment with the price. And Amazon is the best place where you can play with prices. Amazon is common for changing the prices during every single hour. The price might change by 50 or 70 cents per hour. And per day, the price varies too. As you can see, if you put something in Amazon cart, the price of the item itself is going to go up and down during the whole day. And in fact, if you remove it out of the cart, sometimes the price is actually going to go up because you took it off the cart. So if you put it back in there, sometimes you get a very nice sale that's going to give it to you even better to make you actually want to buy this particular item. You should do exactly the same thing as Amazon is doing. If you like a product and it is selling very well, you want to discount it sometimes, and sometimes you want to move the price up. You want to play with the numbers a little bit, but never discount it too much. You should never discount it, especially if the item is selling very well or during the holiday season. During the holiday season, you should never ever discount the price of the product that you have. You want to price the product as high as you can at the same time for it to be selling. This is the way professional sellers do. This is how to make the big money during the holiday season. They price the item a bit higher during the holidays. As the holidays come in, the more this product is selling, the more they price the item higher because they have less and less of that inventory. And then when it gets to 5 or 6 items left, what do? They keep on pricing it higher because they will have very few products in stock, and eventually you'll have 1 or 2 products in stock, so they will price it the highest. That's how they do business. This is how business is done on all Amazon e-commerce retail sites.